Welcome back to the tutorial course on Android app development. In this lecture, we will discuss releasing our app in Google Play Store. On the next slide, we will learn the signed APK file. Before we start with our submission process, we need to create a signed APK of our project. Android requires that before being installed, all the apps should be digitally signed with a certificate. Android uses this certificate to identify the author of an app. The certificate does not need to be signed by a specific certificate authority. Android apps often use self-signed certificates. The app developer holds the certificate's private key. To create a signed APK for our project, navigate to Build and select Generate Signed APK. The Generate Signed APK file dialog box is displayed. At present, we do not have an existing key for our app, so we will need to create a new one. Click Create New. The New Key Store dialog box is displayed. In this box, we will fill all the mandatory fields. We will now need to select the destination folder in the APK destination folder field, which is the location where we want to store the signed APK. Click Finish. The Google Play submission process involves the following 3 steps. Register for a Google Play publisher account. Set up a Google Payments merchant account if there is a need to sell apps or in-app products. Explore the Google Play Developer Console and its publishing tools. On the next slide, we will learn how to register a publisher account. To register a publisher account, we need to visit the Google Play Developer Console. Here's the process for registering a publisher account. Visit the Google Play Developer Console using the following URL: https:/play.google.com/apps/publish. Enter the basic information about the developer identity, that is, the name, email address, and so on. If required, this information can be modified later. Read and accept the developer distribution agreement for a specific country or region. Note that the apps and store listings that we publish on Google Play must comply with the developer program policies and US export law. Pay a $25 registration fee using Google Payments. If we do not have a Google Payments account, we can quickly create one during the process. Once the registration is verified, we will be notified at the email address entered during the registration. This is an optional process. If you want to sell priced apps, in-app products, or subscriptions, you'll need a Google Payments merchant account. You can create one at any time, but first review the list of merchant countries. To set up a Google Payments merchant account, sign in to the Google Play Developer Console in the following URL: https:/play.google.com/apps/publish. Open Financial Reports from the left navigation bar. Click Set up a merchant account now. You will be navigated to the Google Payments site. On this site, you will need to provide the information about your business to complete this step. On the next slide, we will learn about the Developer Console. When our registration is verified, we can sign in to our Developer Console, which is the home for our app publishing operations and tools on Google Play. We need to click Add a new application and provide the necessary information, such as the name of the app, description, etc. After entering the required information, we can publish our app. It will take 3 to 5 hours for our app to be available on Google Play Store. This brings us to the end of our discussion on submitting our app by generating a signed APK, registering for a publisher account, and exploring the Developer Console.